Hey guys, if your VTech baby monitor shows a dark screen at night, the infrared night vision won't switch on, or the picture is too dim to see clearly, you're in the right place. This issue is often caused by too much light in the room, a dirty camera lens, blocked infrared LEDs, incorrect camera placement, or a temporary software issue. In some cases, the monitor may not enter night vision mode because the room isn't dark enough for the infrared sensors to activate automatically. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. 1. Darken the room so the camera can automatically switch to night vision mode. 2. Clean the camera lens and make sure the infrared LEDs are not covered. 3. Reposition the camera so it faces the crib without nearby objects blocking the view. 4. Restart both the camera and the parent unit to refresh the connection. 5. Check the picture again after the monitor finishes reconnecting.